SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off read receipts on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you don't want people to know when you've read their text messages, then there's an option that you can change on your phone. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Messages option. And then you need to scroll down again and find the Send Read Receipts option. Now you just need to tap the button to the right of this, and people will no longer know when you've read text that they have sent to you. Note that this won't affect your ability to see when people have read text that you've sent, unless they have also disabled the Read Receipt option on their phone.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.